Today we are going to perform the first practical of human anatomy and physiology, that is to determine the bleeding time of own blood. So we will firstly start with the requirement for the experiment in which we will require the pricking needle. Here I have shown you the pricking needle. This pricking needle is used to prick the finger. Okay. After that we will need the filter paper, stopwatch and sterilizing cotton swab that is containing the 90% alcohol and a pencil. Now firstly I will prepare the filter paper. I have here prepared already one filter paper, okay, in which I have made some marks of 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 50, 180 and 210 seconds. Okay, now for what purpose this I have made the marks? For determination of the bleeding time, firstly we will allow a blood to flow and we will count the time to which it continues to flow. For that, firstly we will massage a finger, then we will sterilize it with the alcohol containing cotton swab. After that, we'll prick this finger and I will immediately put a spot on 0-second time. After that, every 30-second interval I will make the spot on this mark and I will count the time up to which this spot will come. So when I will put this 0 mark spot, immediately I will start the stopwatch. Okay, so let's start with the experiment. I massage a finger. Prick is there and immediately the spot on the filter paper. So here is a spot. Now I will start the timer. Now at 30 seconds, again one spot. So as soon as it's 30 seconds, I will again make a spot. So here it is a spot. Now after next 30 seconds, again. Now it is near to about completing the 30 seconds. So at 60 seconds means it is of 60 seconds. So here also, next, here also the spot. Second more. This is all the spot. Next 30-second interval and we'll have the another spot. Now here it has stopped giving a spot over here. I'm giving an example here at 120 seconds it has stopped. So now I will stop this stopwatch and I will just note down these observations into the observation table. Okay, how we will have to count? 0, 30, 60, 90, 120. We have taken 120, result of 120 also. We have taken the observation of 120 second also. Okay, but here the spot is not coming. So after that we will stop taking the more observation. Okay, so now let's come to the observation table. So now this is your observation table. The first one is the serial number. Second column is initial time. Third column is final time. Means at difference of 30 seconds, we will just take the observation. So this is what the initial time, final time, and the difference. Here I have already written down this time at 0 initial second, and the gap is 30 second. At that time, what is the result? So likewise, we will just put the observation. So now just see about the filter paper. So here, this is your filter paper. Now, here, whatever result I have taken on this filter paper, I will just note down over here about that. Now, what we have to note down? So, the visibility of blood spot, whether it is yes or no, that we have to note down. So, let's just note down. Okay. So, at first 0 second, yes. At 60 second, yes. At end of 90 second, yes. At end of 130 second, 120 second, sorry, at 90 second. Okay, so yes, and at 120 second, that is no. Okay, so at 0 second initial time, yes, 30 second, yes, 60 second, yes, 90 second, yes, 120 second, no. Okay, so total spot we have observed is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here now the next is total number of the spots, that is 4. Okay, so what is total number? 4. Now how we will count the bleeding time? So total number of the blood spots into the difference. Total number of the blood spots into the difference. So how many? 4 into 30. Second is the difference. And so that's why 1/22 is the bleeding time. Okay. Now 1/22 convert into the minute means 1/22 divided by 60 is equal to 2 minutes. Okay. So this is the bleeding time. The normal bleeding time generally ranges between the 2 to 9 minutes. Okay. So our bleeding time which we have found over here is 2 minutes. So that falls within the normal range of the normal bleeding time. Okay, that remains into the range of normal bleeding time. So if you want to write down the result, then how we can write down the result? The result is the bleeding time of the own blood was found to be 2 minutes, and conclusion is the found bleeding type of own blood is 2 minutes and the normal range of bleeding time is 2 to 9 minutes. So, the bleeding time of my own blood stays within the normal range. Okay. So, likewise, you can write down into the observation table and find out the bleeding time. Thank you.